What just happened in the crypto market? Bitcoin slipped under 85K, Ethereum is bleeding, and XRP's wild ride has traders stunned. Is this the beginning of a larger correction? Or a golden entry point? Let's dive into the data, decode the drama, and figure out what's really going on behind the charts. Bitcoin, BTC, has dipped below the critical $85,000 level, currently hovering around $82,800. While it's still posted a modest 1.17% daily gain, the weekly chart tells a different story, down 0.77%. But here's where it gets interesting. Long-term holders, the so-called diamond hands, are cashing out. Data shows over 178,000 BTC has been sold recently, just as public companies scoop up nearly 95,000 BTC. So who's right? The sellers locking in profits, or the buyers betting on a bigger future? Adding to the pressure are ETF outflows, especially from US-based Bitcoin ETFs, a red flag for institutional sentiment. Combine that with fears of a looming recession and tighter monetary policies, and you get the perfect storm that's making even seasoned investors tread cautiously. Ethereum wasn't spared either. It slid to $1,831.43, showing a 0.93% intraday bounce. But it's still reeling from a 4.03% weekly loss. Here's where things heat up. Over 500 million in crypto liquidations happened in just the past 24 hours, and Ethereum took a massive hit. Analysts are now eyeing a rising wedge pattern on the charts, a technical red flag that often precedes more downside. ETH is approaching critical support levels. Will it bounce or break? With market sentiment turning sour, traders are staying alert for any signs of reversal. But the bears seem to have the upper hand, at least for now. XRP had a brief breakout, surging past $2 before retreating to $2.09. A 2.34% daily gain might sound promising, but zoom out, and you'll see a 6.20% weekly drop. Why? It all points to Ripple's scheduled release of 300 million XRP from its escrow wallet, adding to the circulating supply and pressuring the price. But don't count XRP out just yet. Despite the slip, trading volume stayed strong at $4.45 billion. Showing that traders are still highly engaged. All eyes are now on Ripple Labs as legal and regulatory developments continue to play puppet master with XRP's price. The current market turbulence is stirring up a lot of questions. Is this simply a short-term shakeout before the next leg up? Or are we witnessing the early signs of a deeper correction? As always, stay sharp, stay curious, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next move in this fast-changing market.